Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, August 13th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and it is muggy, humid, disgusting out. I mean, there's no other way to put it. I mean, basically, this is like living in a sauna here or southern Florida. We have temperatures this morning ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s in the Catskills and in the Poconos. Everywhere else in your suburbs are in the mid to upper 70s, and in your urban areas and right along the coast, you have temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s, with the dew points ranging anywhere from the upper 60s to the upper 70s. So it's just a very muggy, steamy morning with areas of fog and haze, and not the best morning for outdoor activities. And it certainly won't be that for this afternoon with the heat index pushing over 100 degrees. Once again, you can see on our wind map, here's our Bermuda High, and you can see it's transporting a lovely air mass right from the Bahamas right into our neck of the woods. So if you're saying to yourself, gee, it feels like as if we're in Florida, yeah, because the air mass is coming from the coastal waters of Florida right into our area. The good news is that all this is coming to an end. The bad news is that it will be coming to an end with a lot of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. This cold front will be moving through, and with it, showers and thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms may have the potential to reach severe levels. As far as today, we'll keep an eye on this trough that could instigate an isolated thunderstorm or two, much like yesterday and the day before. So we'll keep an eye on that, but for the most part, most locations will just be hot and muggy. On our visible satellite picture, you can see as the sun is rising, plenty of haze, plenty of moisture in the atmosphere with scattered cloud cover. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see it's pretty quiet right now with our Bermuda High, but here's our cold front approaching from the west. This will make for a very active afternoon for many throughout the region. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, hazy, hot, and humid. Temperatures will range from the mid 80s to lower 90s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 90s everywhere else, with a heat index pushing over 100 degrees in many locations because you have your dew points in the mid to upper 70s. So it's just a nasty day out there. By the time we get to this evening, watch out for an isolated thunderstorm, followed by the threat for some fog by tomorrow morning. Low temperatures tomorrow morning range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, mid 70s along the coast. And then we get to Saturday afternoon. From roughly 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., it is going to get pretty stormy around here with this cold front, with widespread showers and thunderstorms. Some of these thunderstorms may reach severe levels, and with all this tropical moisture in the atmosphere, there will be a high threat for very intense downpours, vivid lightning, small hail, wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, possibly reaching over 60 miles per hour, and I can't even rule out an isolated tornado. Now, the SPC is not really going with that, but given the activity we've seen so far this year and the nature of this cold front and the nature of this air mass, just be aware some of these thunderstorms could be pretty nasty. Temperatures tomorrow will range from the upper mid 70s to lower 80s over the higher elevations, talking about the Poconos and Catskills, mid 80s to lower 90s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. By the time we get to Sunday, cool air builds in. We're going to watch our cold front sink to the south in the morning with the threat for isolated showers. Can't rule out an isolated shower even in the afternoon for southern New Jersey, but for the most part, we'll get this drier air building in. Low temperatures will range from the mid 50s to lower 60s for the higher elevations, lower to mid 60s for your suburbs, upper 60s to lower 70s right along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s. And then on Monday, high pressure will pass to our north, and that's going to produce an onshore flow, leading to a mix of sun and clouds, and temperatures much cooler in the upper 50s to mid 60s for lows, and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. So very comfortable, very nice day to start next week. Then we have that stationary front hanging around on Tuesday and Wednesday with the threat for isolated showers to widely scattered showers. Not a washout, but just kind of a pesky little stationary front hanging around to our south, keeping the threat for showers in the forecast. Temperatures will range from the mid 60s to lower 70s for lows, High temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s for highs, mid 80s around the Delaware River Valley. And then Thursday and Friday, we'll watch the remnants of Tropical Depression Fred, which may be a tropical storm by Sunday night into Monday while it's making landfall around the Florida Panhandle. Depending on the organization of the system and interaction with a cold front approaching, could lead to quite a bit of rainfall for the region on Thursday and Friday, so we'll watch that and see how that all evolves. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.